Hello and welcome to the fourth video in the Simply Wood Grading app series. This video explains how to use Test 1. To do Test 1, we need to press the Test 1 button which is on the practice page. Once pressed, all you will see is the animated timber with a knot on it, along with the Go and No-Go buttons. Press the timber and you will see the other side of the knot. All you have to do in this test is decide if the timber passes inspection or fails inspection. If you think the wood passes inspection, then you press the Go button. If you think the timber fails inspection, then you press the No-Go button. Let's do a couple to see how it works. We look at the knot on this side. Flip the timber over. And look at the knot on the other side. You can flip it over and over again a few times, like this. And then decide if the timber passes or fails inspection. Watch as I do a few. If I disagree with the result, I can press the back button. And it will show you the details of the knot you just did. Thank you for watching.